Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix no sound problem during call in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. If you are facing this problem, that might be your sound is disabled. To enable your sound, simply tap on settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Now from here tap on volume. As you can see, the volume is disabled. To enable it, simply swipe towards right. Now our volume is enabled, but if you are still facing this problem, that means you might be connected with Bluetooth. So simply check from here if you are connected with Bluetooth. If you are, turn it off. But if you are still facing this problem, then I recommend you to force restart your mobile. To do that, simply hold your power button and volume down button together. Let me show you. It will take few seconds. Now as you can see, our mobile is now forced restart. So let's open it. And I hope you will no longer have sound problem during call. If you are still facing this problem, that means it is a hardware problem and I recommend you to go to your nearest service center. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will see you in next video.